Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to get the full screen option on TikTok. If you're someone who enjoys watching TikTok videos on your smartphone, you may have noticed that some videos only play in a small screen. Fortunately, there is a way to get the full screen option on TikTok, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how. So the first thing that we need to do is of course to open the TikTok app on your smartphone and find a video that you want to watch in full screen mode. Once you've found the video, tap on it to start playing. Next, look for the full screen option. This option is usually located in the bottom right corner of the video player, and it may be presented by an icon that looks like a square with two arrows pointing outwards from the corners. However, on some devices and versions of the app, it may be represented by a different icon or maybe simply say full screen. And finally, you'll be able to enjoy the video in all its glory without any distractions from the surrounding elements of the app. And to exit the full screen, just follow this arrow. This will usually, the icon that will help you to exit the full screen. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy watching your favorite TikTok videos in full screen mode. And we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.